All right, good evening, everyone. And in today's episode, we are going to discuss about blockchain in short, and we are going to see how our project Forsage fits in blockchain. And I'm going to show you, Mr. Victor, how you fit in a blockchain in a Forsage program, what is there for you, what you need to do, and what you can achieve, and what support are we going to give you, and what you're supposed to do. So when we talk of blockchain technology, some people refer to it to fourth industrial revolution. There are a lot of revolutions that have taken place, a lot of development from industrial revolution to the internet, to the digital world now. Now we are in the information system. But what I can say regarding blockchain technology, it is internet version 2. Internet version 2. The first internet, we all know, it is Internet of Things. It allows so many use cases. It allows so many applications. And in this internet, there are providers of internet. There are people who are using internet. Right now, we are using internet to access this training via Zoom. So this internet has got so many applications. And when we talk of applications, we are talking of use case. Use case, like this internet can be used in what sense? So it can be used in banks, it can be used in database, it can be used in WhatsApp and everything. But one thing that this internet did not have before is that when I send you something through internet from one application, let's say WhatsApp, I send you a picture. I send you a copy of what I have, and I will remain with the original. So if I send you something of value, I can do double spending. I can send this document to you, Mr. Victor. You can give me some money, and then I use the same document. I send to Marvelous. Then Marvelous gives me money, and I send the same document to Mrs. Bolatito. And so then when we want to find who is the true owner, then it becomes difficult, especially, let's say, when I send you title deed of a house. So I can send it to thousands of people, the copy. So how do we determine the true owner if each and every person that I send paid me? Who is the true owner? So for that case, the internet lacked the way you can put something in value with value and send it to another person without double spending. So blockchain has come now as the internet version 2. It has been successful to transfer value from point A to point B without leaving that item to point A. So it's like when I sell you my phone, I give you my phone, I don't have it. But when I send you the receipt of my phone, I send you, I still have it. So with now internet, if someone wanted to send something, he could not send it directly to the other point without using the central point. And for example, when we were sending money, you can send money to me, but you'll have to send it through banks, through Western Union, or through someone, because you cannot send without using the third part. So we need to trust the third part. So I take my money to the Western Union. Western Union will take the money, will send it to Nigeria, and you will go to collect it there. But blockchain technology has been able to work in a way that I can be in Dubai, I can send money to you in Nigeria, and you can utilize that money without needing the third part. So that is what has been added into blockchain, which the internet, the previous internet, did not have. And so for that case, in blockchain, transaction can be done from point A to point B without needing the third part, without trusting the third part. It's only computers which can allow this transaction to take place, and the third part is not needed. So whatever was done by banks, whatever was done by Western Union or by people at this moment, blockchain technology can do, and the blockchain technology can have items in a digital form, valuable items in a digital form, and someone can transfer them from one point to another without any trouble. So that is what, in a nutshell, that blockchain has brought to us. And so when you look at what is blockchain, so when you say blockchain, it means what is blockchain? Blockchain means it is database, the database. But this database is kept in files which are called blocks. So like blocks of data, data is kept there, okay? Any information, for example, Mr. Victor has one house. That information is kept here. Later on, maybe Mr. Marvelous has shifted to Dubai. Maybe Good Luck has done this. This information is kept here. So for example, when we talk of Bitcoin blockchain, the database is open for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it closes. It is kept safe. Then another block opens. It receives data in 10 minutes. After that, then it closes. Another block opens. It keeps transaction in 10 minutes, then it blocks. So these blocks keep data on every 10 minutes, and after that they close. So this block has got its ID number. They call it like professionally, they call it hash number. So the second block has got the previous hash number, like previous ID. So the ID of the previous block, let's say block 1, has got its ID on a block 2, and the block 2 also has got its own ID, which this its own ID, it goes to block number 3, and the block number 3 has got its own ID, which will go to block number 4. It will go over and over again. So when we look at when Bitcoin blockchain started, it was 2008, and the inventor of Bitcoin is called Satoshi Nakamoto. So when he created the first block, that block is called the Genesis block, because it is the first block. So this Genesis block does not have the previous hash, because it is the first one. That is why the previous hash is 0. But the second block, its previous hash is the ID of the Genesis block. So since that time, every 10 minutes, the data has been kept in blocks, and it is kept. So it is connected to one. So this block is connected to this block through the hash of the previous. So the hash of previous is connected to this, so it is connected to this one. So they are connected. That is why this technology is called blockchain. It is the chain of blocks of data which are connected to one another through hash. The previous hash of the hash of the previous block is connected to the hash of this block. So to someone to hack this blockchain must come to this block here and change. Once it changes this one, it affects this previous hash. And when it affects this previous hash, so as to accept is a command, then it affects this hash again. When it affects this hash, when this hash are different, then it has to come also to change this hash so that it can look like this to support this block. Because this block to be block, that data to be data, it must be the same as this one. So when you hack this block, it means that you have changed this hash. When you change this hash, so this block will not match this block. So you will have also to go to change this block. When he changes this block, he finds that he has affected this hash. So in order for someone to hack blockchain today, as to hack each and every millions of blocks that have been existing since 2008 in 10 minutes, it should have done. So that there is no powerful computer to hack Bitcoin blockchain because of the mechanism that it has been put. That is what is blockchain technology, but its data is that you can send things and you don't remain with the copy. So when we say ciphers are blockchain, it means characteristics of blockchain. So the first characteristic of blockchain is that blockchain is decentralized, meaning there is no central authority. There is no office for blockchain. In a blockchain, there are millions of computers. There are millions of computers that are connected together. So your question to me, it can be, who is putting all these computers? Who is putting them? Who is putting these computers? Then there is nobody specifically that puts those computers, but any person, even you, can put those computers. These computers support the blockchain network. If you look at this picture of the world, this is the globe. It has so many dots. These are the computer nodes, which are connected to one another to form a network, like a network of blockchain, because these computers are in different parts of the world. So you can put your phone, you can install the software of Bitcoin, then you can become part of the network that is supporting Bitcoin. And these computers are called computer nodes. So these computer nodes are the ones which support the blockchain. And if you look at this picture here, forget about the words, these computer nodes are like this. So whatever any information that is entered in the blockchain, then that information is distributed to millions of computers. So the data is distributed to millions of computers. They hold the same data. And in case now you have, let's say I have sold my house to my sister Bola, it means the whole world, all millions of computer nodes keep that information that this house, this title deed now belongs to my sister Bola and I don't have. Now, when I want now to send this document to my sister, this computer node must verify that this document has never touched here. So once they verify, that is when the transaction will move from me to Bola, and when I want to use the same document to send it to Victor, then these computers will not agree because they must have the same information that they have, but they don't have. So they will identify me like here, and the transaction, you see, all the computers will reject. So for the transaction to go through, then these computers will verify. And once they verify, when the transaction goes through, these computers, they are given payment, the gas fee The gas fee, for example, my sister Bolatito knows, like when we were dealing with the Forsage, we put BNB, like it is for gas. It means that the transaction that is taking place, so the transaction fee, the small transaction fee that is paid is taken to these computer nodes which are operating there. I can see Mr. Victor is yes, Mr. Victor is back. I'm so happy to see you. So this is the way when we say it is distributed, the blockchain is decentralized. There is no central authority. So whatever program that we are going to show for Forsage, know that it is in a blockchain, it is decentralized. There is no one who can take it down. There is no one who can close, and there is no one who can change. Because when you want to change, it means that you will have the message that does not sync, that does not synchronize with the message that other computer nodes have got. So we don't need people, but these computer nodes are there to verify. That is the reason why any information which goes to the blockchain is closed, is locked like this, and it is not possible to change it. And the way this database is distributed from one block to another, like is distributed to computer nodes, like the way you see on this screen. As I show you, it is distributed there. And in case you want to change, these computers need to have consensus protocol. They must agree like this. They must tick for transaction to go through. So now, when we come back to show you, that is what is the characteristics of blockchain is decentralized in nature. Its database is distributed in different computers. Blockchain is open source. Open source means that code is not, the program is not closed. For example, when you talk of Windows 10, Microsoft, these programs are closed. People who have got access are the one who can use it. But when we talk of blockchain, the code is open, so any person can go and view. And this blockchain is transparent because the transactions are distributed in millions of computers. They are open. Any person can audit. Any person can know all the transaction, and you can track. For example, when central bank issues the fiat currency, maybe 100 naira, it has got its serial number. When they issue that money, let's say to the central bank will issue, then this money moves from one hand to another. So once it got trouble, there is no way you can track where this money got trouble. But in blockchain, you can track the transactions since 2010, 2009 and 8, when the blockchain started, and you can know all the transaction, and no transaction is lost. This blockchain is public, means any person, you, me, Mrs. Bolatito, Marvelous, your sister, your children, your friend, every place, any person, as long as you have internet and the smartphone or computer, this project is for you. You can use it and you can be part of this. It has immunity. It is immutable. It is immutable. It has immunity against hackers. No hacker can take it down. No government can take it down. No person can take it down, because to do so is very, very, only God can do that. So these are the characteristics of blockchain. Now I want to show you where is blockchain used. Like matumizi means they use, where do we use blockchain? So blockchain technology is the technology behind the underlying technology behind the cryptocurrency. Blockchain is the one which has brought cryptocurrency into existence. So there is a technology behind it, the way Bitcoins or cryptocurrencies are mined. So the cryptocurrency, which is a digital currency, it is the money, but which is used digitally. It is, we cannot see cryptocurrency in a physical form, like the picture Marvelous has put, that coin. That is just a symbol, but these are the serial numbers which are sent from one phone to another. So these cryptocurrencies are the first use case of blockchain. So blockchain has created its own money that can be sent from point one to point B without leaving any trace. So this kind of money, there are so many of them. If you go to look to coin market cap, there are so many of them. These cryptocurrencies have got price. They are market where they sell and buy these cryptocurrencies. Right now, there are more than 10,000 of them. And each cryptocurrency has got its own blockchain, which has got the uses. So we have, for example, Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have Litecoin. So you can say, where do these cryptocurrencies get value? Where does it get value? It gets value through usability. When people have decided to use it, then they give value. For example, now I'm sitting on a chair. The value of the chair is for me to use it. When I use this chair, that is when it gets value. If I was not using a chair, then chair would not have value to me because I don't use it. Some people, let's say gold has got value because people wear it, people like it, people use it, people are willing to pay money to get it. That is why gold has got money, is valuable. So when we come to cryptocurrency, people have agreed to use them. People have agreed to pay dollar or naira to get them, because that is when people buy them, when people use them, that is when they get value. That is the reason why Bitcoin today has got 31,000 US dollars. In 2010, it was 1 cent. Last year, it was 6,000, but today it is 31,000. Why? Because people use it, and since Bitcoin is scarce, it is limited in number. That is where it gets value. People utilize it, people have got it, and people use it. So something gets value when it is used by people. Now, when we talk of cryptocurrency, as I've shown you there, so many people utilize them. Many people have got them in Nigeria. A lot of people have got them. So these cryptocurrencies, they are used as money. You can buy stuff using them, but they are used also as assets because they store value. They store value like house, but they are more than house. I will show you sometimes later. I showed the Boratito, but these cryptocurrencies now, the last thing they are used as token. When you want to utilize the technology, you have to use cryptocurrency because the blockchain technology does not take naira, does not take Tanzanian shilling, does not take dirham, does not take pound. It takes its own digital currency, which is called the cryptocurrency. And these cryptocurrency, for example, let's say when you send money online, like when we send the message online, let's say I send the message WhatsApp. Nowadays, you see they say end-to-end encryption, like end-to-end encryption, meaning that when a message moves from point A to point B, it means that there is no one who can in between can read this message. It is encrypted. You cannot see. It is hidden. Here, these people in between cannot track and read it. They can read it from the message. When I send you the message, I can read it and you can read it as well. So the same applies to cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are using the technology called encryption, and this encryption is the highest level of cryptography. They are using the technology called cryptography. That's why cryptocurrency, cryptography, it is the highest level of encryption. That is why when someone sends you cryptocurrency and it goes to your wallet, it is not fake, it is real. There is no one who can give you photocopy of cryptocurrency, who cannot give you fake cryptocurrency. There is nothing like that because because the way it has been created, the way it has, you cannot have fake Bitcoin, but you can have fake dollar, you can have fake gold, you can have, but you cannot have fake land. Piece of land, when it is scarce, then people need to pay more to get it. So with Bitcoin also, it is scarce. You cannot photocopy it, and then you cannot give it. That's why now when you want to use the technologies like a car must use fuel to go. So the same way as blockchain uses cryptocurrencies when you want to utilize, when it has to involve value. Now, another use case of blockchain is a smart contract. When we talk of smart contract or DApps, it's like internet. Internet has got many applications. For example, Facebook is an application which is there in the internet, in the maybe Android or iOS device. But the creator of Facebook is Mark Zuckerberg, and the owner of Facebook is Mark Zuckerberg. But the servers of Facebook, they are in the office of Mark Zuckerberg. He has employees, he has people who are managing the admin and the customer care who are supporting. But blockchain technology has allowed applications to be created on top of it. And these applications will always operate without the owner or without the employees, because this application has been created inside the blockchain. Blockchain does not involve people, does not involve the third party. It is these millions of computers are the ones which support the network. And even if you hack all the computers and you leave one, that computer will still be able to run the system of the blockchain. And so these blockchain which allow applications to be built by people and uploaded them, these applications which have been created by people, but they are living inside the blockchain, these applications are called smart contracts or decentralized application. Decentralized applications whose database is distributed in millions of computers, or smart contract, meaning that it is the contract which executes itself through the power of blockchain. So there are so many, these applications, this smart contract, it's not the creator of blockchain who uses it, but people, programmers, Nigerians, Tanzanians, many people can create applications, put them in the blockchain, and many people can access it. So it is there in insurance, it is there in pension funds, it is there in the revenue, government, land, every minister of land, everywhere, in the election and everything. These smart contracts work there. There are many smart contracts that are our decentralized application that are operating inside the blockchain. So there are so many use cases in terms of blockchain. So now, when I've tried to narrow down this this blockchain. So because blockchain is like an onion, it has got so many layers, but I will just try to stick to where I want us to be. So right now, Bora has invited you to learn about Forsage smart contract. I have shown you smart contract. These are the applications which have been created inside the blockchain. So blockchain like Ethereum, blockchain like Cardano, blockchain like Tron, blockchain like Binance, blockchain like Polkadot, blockchain like so many blockchain allow people to create application and run them. So when we talk of Forsage, it is, I will show you, it is one of the applications. It is one of the applications which do not have owner, which do not have the central authority, because these applications have been created, have been uploaded inside the blockchain. They operate inside the blockchain. They are run by the infrastructure of blockchain. So don't find their office. They don't have their office. Their whereabouts, where they stay, it is inside the blockchain. So if you go to the blockchain, you will find all these applications. So Forsage is one of them. So this Forsage, these applications are called smart contract or decentralized application. So Forsage has been created in three blockchain, three different blockchain network. The first blockchain network is called Ethereum. It is the blockchain of Ethereum. So if you go to look at the blockchain of Ethereum, you will find Forsage there. The second blockchain whereby Forsage has been created is Tron, the blockchain of Tron. As you can see here, the blockchain of Tron. Tron is here. So you can log in the blockchain of Tron. You can see. You can log in the blockchain of Ethereum. You can see Forsage there. And currently, Forsage has been brought into the blockchain of Binance. So Forsage is living. They have created it. It has three branches. One is in the blockchain of Tron. Another one is the blockchain of Ethereum. And the other one is in the blockchain of Binance. And so these the transactions that take place in Forsage, they are peer-to-peer. They are from Victor to Marvelous, from Marvelous to me. So it is peer-to-peer. Why? Because blockchain does not involve the third part. I have explained to you there, it is distributed in millions of computers, so it is decentralized. So it is peer-to-peer. The transaction is peer-to-peer. So when you work on the project of Forsage, it means that the payments that you receive will not pass through the third part. It will come directly to you. And there is no one there who will be keeping your money. So, and this payment will be going to your own wallet. And this wallet, before you join Forsage, you keep it in your phone. So it is staying in your phone. That is where all your money will be there. There is no one who will be keeping your money. And so the person who created it Forsage, it is a group of Russians like is called Lado, the programmer who created it Forsage. When he wrote the codes of Forsage, then he uploaded it in the blockchain, 3 blockchain. Then this Forsage from that time, it is called the smart contract, Forsage smart contract. Then now, this creator is not the owner of Forsage, because Forsage is the app which do not have the owner. Forsage is different from Facebook or YouTube. YouTube has got owners, and the payment that go to YouTube is going first to the owner, and the owner pays to people who are supposed to be paid. So, but with Forsage, it means there is no owner. You, the user, or you, the member of Forsage, become the true owner because you receive 100% of the payment without sharing to any person. You have someone who has given 1 million naira. That 1 million naira is yours. There is no commission. There is no any whatever you can call, any division, whatever. There is nothing like that. But you are the one who is using, you get 100% of the payment. So you can ask me, good luck, you are a liar. You have said Forsage is inside the blockchain. Why do you bring the website? So is the website the blockchain? I will say, no, this website is not Forsage. This is just the interface. They have found the easiest way people to interact with the blockchain, and it for convenience purposes. That is why they created the website, which is tracking all the records of the transactions that are taking place inside the blockchain, and that information is reflected in the website. So in this website, you will have so much information, all the members, all the data, all the amount that has been earned. Like since this Forsage has got 76 weeks. It has been existing for 76 weeks. But through this program of Forsage, 1.4 billion, 1,466,501,984 US dollar, 1.4 billion US dollars have been earned through Forsage. And this money is not in the hands of Mark Zuckerberg or Bill Gates. It is in the hands of people, because Forsage is decentralized application. More than 1.5 million people have joined Forsage. And in today alone, it is 1,372 people have joined Forsage every single day. And you can see all the database it gives you. This database is real, because it does not create its own data, but it takes the data of what is going on. So it shows you the amount that people have received in terms of Ethereum. It is Ethereum 712,299, equivalent to 1.3 billion US dollars. Tron, they have earned 1.7 billion trons, worth 97 million US dollars. And Binance, which is the newest, it has got 9.5 million US dollars. It is 1 month old. And today it has got 96,000 people. Today, 1,200 people have joined Forsage Binance. So there are so many information that you will get in this website, but much more. You can see where to register. You can click here to register. We will show you different language, but you can see here, there is a community. Community is very, very important when we talk of a community. Community is very important, because this is what gives Forsage the meaning, and this is what the creator of Forsage value. This community is well protected, with so much knowledge, with so much promotions, so much activities, a lot of employment. You can train, you can do whatever you want in this Forsage. And all the money that is going to Forsage, it remains to the community. So it is the gift to the community. In the end, this community, as it grows, then they will start doing the big project using the community that we have. For example, they want to create smart city, and they want to create their own cryptocurrency. So since you already have a market, then your cryptocurrency is going to increase in value. We also have Forsage Academy. A lot of knowledge is shared there. Some people can go, if you want to teach, you can go and teach any topic. And this is very powerful. We have the support, and apart from earning money, but this Forsage Academy, this is international academy, which is providing many courses for Forsage members. But much more, Forsage is uniting many people in the world through the power of technology, and they connect people all over the world. And this connection opens the limitless possibilities of the new economic financial system. So with this Forsage, we have employment. With this Forsage, we create a lot of money, and we are using this system. So when we say Forsage, Forsage is this one. This is the address of Forsage Binance, Forsage Tron, Forsage Ethereum. So I will click Forsage Binance. It will take me to the blockchain. So this website here, Binance Scan, is the website which you can view whatever is going on in the blockchain. So with this one, I can know exactly what is going on in the Forsage. It is opening. So this website has opened. You see Binance Scan. It shows you this contract, this Forsage smart contract. If you look, this contract has been verified. It is inside the blockchain. It has been verified. If I click this one, you can see that contract source code verified, exact match. Contract name Forsage Prox, compiler version is there. So contract code solidity. And so these are the codes for those programmers will be able to read. So these are the codes that those creators created. And this code is not kept in any office, but it is rather staying inside the Forsage, inside the blockchain of Binance or blockchain of Ethereum or blockchain of Tron. So these codes are run by the infrastructure of the blockchain. So this is the Forsage. This is Forsage, but it is codes. But people utilize this code. So that website is translating this so that we can understand and we can utilize it. So with this one, you can see a lot of transactions are taking place in Forsage. You have seen 1.4 billion US dollars have been transacted in 76 weeks. You can see 1 minute ago, money has come from this wallet to Forsage. You see OXA, OX5A. 4 minutes ago, money moved from this wallet to Forsage again, OX5A, OX5. So money is going to Forsage. And now, if you go now to the intent of, once it goes to the Forsage, then it will be distributed accordingly, peer to peer. So it will be going for Victor, for good luck, for any person. Every person will be receiving. And this when you see this one, this is the wallet address. So it goes to someone's wallet. Now, if you look at the balance of this contract is 0. It means that this smart contract does not keep balance, but it distributes the balances accordingly. So this is what people buy. This is what people pay for. They want to pay to have this platform, which has got all this great community, to have this platform, which has got its own academy, to have this platform, which can make you be part of this community, which has earned 1.4 billion US dollars. And this program does not have the owner, does not have the central authority, does not have the admin, does not have anyone, but any person you go to use it, you get paid 100%. This is the lady who registered me in Forsage. She got 1.9 million US dollars. Marvelous knows this lady. She's from US, Black American and African American, and she's 72 years old. But she worked so hard, people trusted her, and people worked with her. So what is it like? Where does this money come from? Where does all this money come from? This, you can see 1.4 billion. There are people who have earned 9 million, 10 million in just 6 months. What is the product that help make people earn this amount of money? I earned, let me show you what I earned last year. This is me. This is me. Marvelous is there, can prove. Yes, this is me. We were working in 6 months. In 6 months, I used this. I got 46 Ethereum worth 88,177 last year. Not one, I had 2 accounts, and one account was for my wife. She has been working so seriously about it. So this is what we achieved together. You see, let me show you. So this one is for my wife. And the best part of Forsage is that you can verify. The code is open. You can verify that it is true that I got 104,000, and I will prove to you, I'll prove everything in my wallet. You can track all the transactions to see that the money real came from Forsage, and it was 54 Ethereum worth 104,000 US dollars. So almost 2,000. And my people that I registered, more than 50 people got more than 100,000 US dollars. About 5 people got more than 300,000, but there is one champion in my team that I registered. I have everything on YouTube, who got almost 600,000 US dollars. So with this one, with all this money that I'm showing you, you can ask, where does this money come from? How? Some people will say this is the Freemason. Some people they have so many stuff, but I will show you where this money come from. You see, this guy has got 7.1 million US dollars using the same system. And why making this huge amount of money? They make this huge amount of money because the program does not have the owner. You are the true owner, and you are the one who is using this platform. Let me show you the product. Let me show you so that you can understand this product. And when you understand this product, then you can see what exactly are we doing. Let me show you this one. Let me close this one. Okay, just 1 second. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Let me show you, and we'll see. Let me show you the product. So what is the product that people pay when you join? What do you pay for? You have to pay some. What do you pay for? The product that people have made money is the smart contract, which is inside blockchain. This smart contract is the, as I shared to you, blockchain now is the internet version 2. It is the fourth industrial revolution. It is the program that has got so many things in it. So this program is inside the blockchain, so it does not have owner. When you become part of Forsage, you become the owner of the smart contract, which is inside Binance Binance blockchain. So this Forsage is there inside. So this smart contract is what people here outside buy using their phone. They interact, many people outside here. Forsage connects many people together in the world, and they interact using their smartphone. You don't have to use dollar or pound, but you need to use pound to buy cryptocurrency and put it in your wallet. So when you join Forsage, then automatically you become the seller, because you don't have, there is no shop, there is no owner. So you become the owner. So with this one, you can sell this smart contract to another person, because this is the product. You needed that platform that has made many people become millionaires, has transformed, has helped people to earn 1.4 billion US dollars in 76 weeks. So this product is what you bought. You need that platform so that you can also do the same and receive 100% of the payment. So when you have this smart contract, automatically you can sell it, or you can keep it by yourself and maybe give it to your son, to your daughter, to your wife. Why? Because once you open this smart contract, you become the owner. And any person who wants the license to be part of this smart contract, then must find the person with this smart contract to buy. So with you, you have the link that you can give this buyer, and the buyer will have to pay cryptocurrency to buy this license. And then this money comes to smart contract. This money is transferred to your own wallet. And when you sell this once, it does not finish. You can sell it over and over again to 100 for that. Like you can go to 100 people, 200 people, 2 people, 3 people, any amount of people. And whatever money they use to buy this smart contract is yours 100%. So if you see any person has made money, this is the product that people buy and sell in order to generate income is a smart contract inside the Binance Smart Chain. This product is the reason behind that huge income that you have seen. Okay, so after understanding this product, who are we? Like who am I? Oh, like we are the community. For us, we are the community. We know each other. We are not Forsage. Forsage is an application, but we community members have decided to utilize Forsage to generate income, to create our own dream. So we utilize this technology so that for those people who have earned, for those people like me, last year I earned. Now I share this knowledge to as many people as possible in our community so that all of us together can utilize it. But we are not Forsage. We are not we don't know we don't know each other with the creator. They don't know us, and it does not matter. What matters is for you to have your smartphone and your internet, and you be part of that. And when you be part of that, you create your own business, you create your own information. And how do you? So for us now, why should you do Forsage with our team? You do Forsage with our team because it is a team of professionals. We first of all, we performed very well in Ethereum. Many people in our team got more than 100,000. So we came together. We have experience, we have lecturers, we have technology guru, we have different people with different background in international business. So we came together. We said we are going to do Forsage Binance and give knowledge about blockchain and cryptocurrency around the world to our team. And we have assisted our team to earn so much if you compare to other programs, because we have 19 days since we started our project, and this is the result. And so this is what also you will have to be part of this. And if you want, you have a lot of dreams. For me, my job is to show you and to show you how you can make it. This is the first person in our team. So in 19 days time now, this person here has been able to generate 2,175 US dollars. He started with a very, very small amount, and he has sold this smart contract to only 2 people. We have not ended. We have project 100 days of transformation. We want to finalize everything. I will show you how it works, and then we want to be part of that. And then if you see his partners, you see this partner here, level 1, this account was a trial account. It has not registered any person, but it has got the payment $10. How is it possible? Our team is working very well. But you see, this one is on the top, has got ID 121. It has received 2,174, but its downline has got much more money. You see, 3,365. It shows that in Forsage, it's not a pyramid, meaning that those people on top are earning more, but it does not matter. Whether you are top, you are below, you have come today, you have come when, it does not matter. You can make money more than anyone else. You see now in our team, the second account, that one I have shown you, that account has got 400 and something. I will not show that. I will show you the someone beyond him is 1,092, 1,292. This is the ID. And this person here has received 3,595. Its upline has received 3,300. So you see, this is below, has received more. And if you look at the partners of this person here, if you look at his partners, you can see he has registered only 3 people. One has got 4,905. This is me. This is my upline, this is my young brother. I have registered 3 people. You see, I've registered 3 people. This guy here has got $25. This one has got $100. So I am down, I am below him, but I've got more than him. So this does not mean like when you are you are on top, that you earn. This is our team. You can see, I show you my downline is my wife. She has joined now. The call. You can see there on the call. This is the amount she has received, 5,200. She has received even more than me. Why? Because she has worked. And what are our partners? Her partners are here. You can see the partners, what they have received. You see this partner here has received 2,530. This one 865. This one has received 860. This one is from US. It does not work. It does not put much effort. $50. But he started with the $30. You see this one 1,200. This one has registered 3 people. This one has registered 1 person, has got 895. This one has registered 1 person, has received 510. This one has received 1,908, has registered 4 people. And this is another. So you can see all of them are earning. This is our team. This is our team. Now, I want to show you that the members, people who are the first account, the account of the creator, people who rushed to say, we want to join the account of creator. I want to show you this. This guy has registered 2,147 people that he has sold the smart contract. So he has received 398,170, almost 400,000 in 1 month time. But I want to show you their partners. Their partners, you can see they are partners because they go there, they don't get the support, they are not taught, they don't have the strategic plan, so they don't make money. They don't make money. You can see here, let me open the partners. I want to show you their partners to differentiate in our team. Our team, everyone is earning. Everyone is earning, or everyone has got the potential to earn. You can see this 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, has not earned anything. 0, 0. You see, 0. They have not earned. They have joined. They don't have any support. They are there. But for us, our team, we don't earn so much. There is no that big gap. But what is happening in our team, we go step by step. We carry along each and every person. That's why you see I am here with my sister Boratito. I am here with Marvelous. I am here with Victor. And we will be there with many of your people in Nigeria. We will be there with your friends so that each and every one who is in our team can earn huge amount of money. So when you become part of Forsage, what do? When you become part of the Forsage, you buy this smart contract. This smart contract has been divided into 2 parts: Forsage X3 and Forsage X4. Forsage X3 is for people with high speed, people with dreamers, people who do not waste time. So in order for you to get paid, you sell this smart contract. So you see, this smart contract has been divided into 12 parts, 12 slots, as you can see here, into 12 spots. You see, you can see, let me show you. It has been divided into 12 spots, up to 12 spots. You see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 spots. Why did they cut them into pieces? So that even normal people can afford, even poor people can afford to buy this license. It's like when you go to buy sugar. Sugar, you can buy the whole bag. You can buy half a bag. You can buy 10 kilos. You can buy 5 kilos. You can buy half a kilo, quarter a kilo. You can buy a small amount. So with this one, with this Forsage also, you can buy small amount. When you buy small amount, and then you can grow. So when you purchase, what do you do? Each person, for example, now, let's say, Victor, you want to join. Bolatito has got the key, has got the link to give you. This link is here. So with this link, she will give you this link. Then you click that link, you register. When you register, it means that you purchase the smart contract from her. So when you purchase the first slot, you pay $5. You pay $5. So this is the cost of license number 1. So you see this guy here bought this slot with the $5, but this slot has paid him 11,900. So when people also join, you see the transaction. You can see now, you see the transaction here. $5, $5 reopening. $5 reopening. When it reopens, it means those slots open again to receive another set of payment. So you receive, you join, you receive the slots because there are three. You see, there are three spots. Once these three spots are full, they reopen so as to, like this, you pay, if when you receive these three payments, they reopen again, they become empty to receive another set of three payments. So that is what makes Forsage to be endless. You can receive it over and over again. And since it is distributed in millions of computers, no one can take it down. And this money is not here. This 1,000 here is just connected to this. It is in the wallet of that person where money is going there. And this is the statistics to show what happened in the blockchain. So these slots that you buy are sources of income because when you sell them, you get paid. You see, you buy them, and you sell them at the same price that you bought them. You can, it's not like any other good, like you want to make profit, but you can sell it to as many people as possible. You see, each slot has got the price on it. So when you want to join, you can say, I want many. When you have 12 slots like this in X3, in an X4, you have 24 sources of income because each slot will be paying you. But when you have only one slot, you'll be getting only $5. But for you, you see this guy here in level 7, how much did he receive? He received 8,320. But you see this transaction, 320 US dollar, 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 just like that. But when you have small you have small slot, small level, then to be $5, $5, $5, $5, then you don't get it. And now when you see now these slots, these are the license that we buy and we sell. And you don't sell like you meet with the people in the market. No, you just give the link, someone, whatever this person is doing there. As I showed you that picture of the product, the smart contract is there inside the infrastructure. Then we are here outside with a phone. So whatever is taking place, this person, once you register these people, when they register level 1, once they go level 2, they are yours. They cannot shift, they cannot move. Once they go to level 3, level 4, level 5, for them to activate these levels, it means that they pay you. When they activate, they pay you. So when many people activate their slot and they buy them from you, this money is yours 100%. There is no commission. There is no I don't know how you call binary or whatever. It is 100%. You see, like here, you bought this slot by $10. You can see the amount that he has received. The amount that he has received is $10. Same, 10, 10, 10, 10. So if it is your duty to receive, you just receive. If it is your right to receive, you receive 100% of the payment. So with this one, brother, for example, I want to show you this is true. And today we have 100 days of transformation. In 100 days of transformation, I have received more than 10,000 US dollars in 19 days. How did I do it? Because I registered people who bought this smart contract. Then you can ask me one thing, good luck. Why should people stop doing what they are doing? We don't say they should stop doing what they are doing, but my question is, why should people leave other stuff or not put their money or their attention in other stuff and focus on Forsage? I will give you the reason. I will give you the reason. The reason is before we were in the Stone Age. The business during Stone Age were stones, sticks. You just light fire with this. You wouldn't think of selling car to this population. They wouldn't know. But we moved to this level. The kind of business which was taking place here now has moved to industries. And people, you have to take advantage here. You have to put raw materials. You have to put lubricants. They have put different advancement. Then we moved to internet age. Here you can see people like Microsoft, Bill Gates. You see people like Mark Zuckerberg with Facebook, Amazon, all these people booking, people who are doing booking, Expedia, they are making a lot of business. You see people like Davido. Davido is doing his business or with Kid or Olamide. They are doing their business on YouTube. See me now, I'm just teaching you. You are in Nigeria, I'm in Dubai, but we are doing presentation. So you can see Facebook, WhatsApp, you are doing everything. Now, each level has got its own business. Now we are in the digital era or information age. The product or the business which is is different from what was there. So the mindset of many people is moving with the technology, but don't reason of the product in industrial age or in digital era with the mindset of industrial age or stone age. That's why Forsage has got so many people. That's why Forsage has got so much money, because it gives you the power to own your business. You own your business. You have a total control of your future. Your future depends on you. It is not controlled by anyone. You can do it. It does not have the limitation, and you can do it because it is inside the blockchain, and the blockchain is kept in a block of data, and it is distributed in millions of computers. No one can change it. No one can take it down. It is yours, and it is yours forever. You can take a break. You can come back. You can give it to your children. When you have 12 slots, then you can start. So, and you receive 100% of the payment, and the payments are instant and direct to your wallet. So this is the logic. So with our team, what we need to promise you, because today I have put so many stuff, but I want to break down them slowly. I don't want to rush anyone. When we rush, we will not get the best part. But I want now to spare 3 days a week. 3 days a week, I will be teaching people in Nigeria 1 hour. Like maybe I'll be putting 45 minutes or 40 minutes, and I record these meetings. I put them in the YouTube. Now with your people, the client that you want to learn, so that they can buy the smart contract from you, you can get 100% of the payment in terms of cryptocurrency. And this cryptocurrency that you receive, you can change it anywhere in Nigeria. There are so many places where you can change it. I will show you in the next place. So I hope you have got in a nutshell what we are doing, which is in the blockchain, and that is what we are doing, and that is what I'm living. I'm living on that only in Dubai. I don't do any other stuff. And the team that we have created, we support each other. We have a big team in Nigeria. Of course, Marvelous is the one who brought them. About so many pastors. They were about 30. Others continued. Others now they are occupied. But we are creating this huge. And when we see that you are doing well, you have all our support. Like every week, I've set 3 weeks. I will share the materials, the videos, so that those people with no data who cannot access Zoom can have these videos and everything. And so they are going to fit in our community, and they are going to make huge amount of money. And this is it. So I want to welcome you. If you have any question or if you want something more, then you are welcome. Mr. Victor, are you there? Mr. Victor, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, did you hear the presentation?
Yeah, I understand you very well.
What did you like the most, like in the presentation?
The platform, the Forsage itself, is it all about this connection of a thing? I don't know. Is it the way you explain it? On you have to bring in someone before you could get paid. Also, I thought it's a platform that you trade, maybe cryptocurrency or stuff, kind of.
Oh,
You have to bring someone, you have to get someone in before you get paid also.
it is very clear. Let me show you. It is
Do you understand my question?
I understand. Yeah. Yeah. There is something maybe you missed. Let me show you. Let me show you right now, right away. Let me remove this. Let me put it here. Did you get it when I shared about the smart contracts, right?
Yes.
And I said Forsage is a smart contract, right?
Yes.
And the smart contract, it means that it is a platform that people use it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to have a very good conversation with you. You have so many banks in Nigeria, and maybe you have a bank account, right?
Pardon? What is it?
Like you have been using banks, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, and you have an account.
Yes.
Where does the bank get money that you can go and collect from the ATM and everything? Where does it get it from?
From the customers.
So it means that bank is the platform which does not have money, but money comes from the customers who are keeping the money there, right?
So sorry, Mr. Glock.
Yes? Hello, Sister Bola.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, please, I have to go. I have a call.
Okay. Go. I just finalize with the Mr. Victor. Yes, Mr. Victor.
Yes.
Where does you see, like the bank is the platform which has no one there, right?
Mm.
But where does money come from? It comes from people who come to save the money there. That is where the money gets, right?
Yes.
So the bank does not produce money, but money is in the hands of people, right?
Yes.
And it is brought to get there to the channel, to the bank, so that they can keep for you, but they take that money, they just go to borrow other people, they provide credit cards and other services, right?
Yes.
So Forsage is an application which does not have money, right? Do you understand? Yes. It's like bank does not have money, but the community, the way they utilize that product is the way it gets value. It gets value. For example, let me tell you one thing. Let me show you one thing. I am a trader. Let's say I am a trader. I'm trading, professional trader, and I train people to trade. Okay? I train many people in Dubai here, in many parts of the world to trade. But I want to show you something why Forsage is better than trading. So you don't need to depend on the market situation. You get asset itself, not just catching on exchange rate difference based on the price movement. You know when you are trading, let's say you buy Bitcoin, for you to get a profit, you have to wait for the market to go higher so that you can sell. If you look at the cryptocurrency right now, last 2 months, Bitcoin was 64,000. Bitcoin was 64,000 Bitcoin. But today Bitcoin is 31,000, more than half. We traders have suffered big time. Ethereum 2 months ago, it was 4,500. Today, it is 1,900. It means loss. Ethereum, this Binance, it was 1,000. Today, it is 300. You can see all this red. Red means it goes down. It goes down in price. So in trading, I am a trader. When I show you trading, I trade, but with this now time when there is too volatility, you buy now cryptocurrency. Today you buy Bitcoin at 30,000, or you bought at 50,000. Today it is 30,000. You have lost 20,000 US dollars. And so the best way for you to make huge amount of money now, so that you can be able to create, is to take advantage of the uses of the use case of the blockchain, which are trending right now, which are, it's like business. You know, business. Have you ever done any business?
Yeah, I do a business. I do some business.
Until now, you are doing business?
Yes.
Like what business are you doing?
Like transportation business.
You transport goods from Lagos to where? Or from where to where?
Within Lagos.
Within
Nigeria.
Lagos.
Or within Nigeria.
Okay. Okay. So now, so you need clients for you to transfer their goods. That's when you get money, right?
Sure.
Without clients, without people, can you make it?
No.
Right? So can you tell me any business that you can do without involving people? Tell me any business that you can do without involving people.
Virtually, there's no business. You have to have people now to communicate with you. You have to have your market.
Even the hospital, right? Even the hospital, right?
Yeah.
The hospital without sick people, can it be a hospital?
No.
The church without people, can it be a church? So now I want to show you. Okay, now when you transport goods, let's say you have taken goods from Lagos to Abuja, okay? So it means that you have to go to collect the goods, right?
Sure.
You have to pack them, right?
Yes.
You have to count so that they cannot get lost.
Sure.
You have to take the liability in case the goods miss, then you are accountable, right?
Yeah.
You have to reach the goods there and provide it to the owner. And when the owner pays you, do you take 100% of the payment by yourself and you go to eat it? Let's say you have got 1,000 US dollars. Can you distribute it for me? How much do you pay your employees? Do they do for free? Do your employees do it for free? Work for you for free?
No.
Okay. Do you have to do the service for the car, like to put fuel and other stuff?
Sure, definitely.
You have to do. Do you pay tax to the government?
Definitely, indirectly or directly.
So, my brother, if you are open-minded person in Forsage, you don't carry any good, You don't carry anything. Your work is just talking, and you get 100% of the payment. You don't do any inventory. You don't do anything. You just sit there and direct people to just direct. You don't need to teach. You don't like did you see Sister Bola? Now has left, right? She has gone on the call.
Yeah.
Is the training still going on?
Yes.
Yes. Has she taught you about blockchain and all the stuff? No. We have put the platform for our people. Your work is just to get the smart contract, and your work is simple. Are you the one who sent me the message?
No.
Who sent you the message?
You did.
I did. But did I know you before?
No.
What did the baller do? She gave me your number. So now, once she closes the deal to you, she will receive 100% of the payment. Is that not good?
Okay. After when I register, she received 100% of the payment.
Everything. Even if she inserts you, even if she inserts me, blockchain, that is the way blockchain is. 100%. You see, people are making millions of money. Like, let me tell you, do you have friends that you talk about politics, you talk about football, you talk about things in Nigeria? When you talk with them, do you get paid when you talk to them? No. When you talk about Manchester or England being beaten by Italy, were you paid by Manchester United, by England?
No.
You don't get paid. But now when we talk about Forsage, we get paid. Then what is the value of your talking?
The payment. No.
You see, this is the digital era. This is something that no one can take it down. You can do it in a small pace, but your wife can do it in a huge pace. Or your children can come to do it in a huge pace. You can have the slot, you can get some few amount of money, but my daughter, just continue. Go and do it by yourself there. She can do it in her own pace, she can do her own webinar, and that's it. This is the business. The same way as you become busy. Like you see now, look, let me show you. Do you know DSTV? You have DSTV in Nigeria?
Yes.
DSTV, right?
Yes.
When you subscribe for DSTV, what do they give you? Do you see what they give you? Do they bring, like when you subscribe for DSTV, you have your TV, you have your antenna and everything. When you subscribe, they just send you the message and you just watch, right?
Yes.
But they make money. You pay for that service. That is the digital product. Now you see this Zoom. I'm teaching you. I show you the business, everything. I do the classes. I pay. Did they send it to me? Did they give me on my hand? Or it's just they just put there? I have subscribed there. When I go, I just started teaching. So digital product, software, applications, programs, you don't need to carry them. You don't need to, it's just you have it on your system and the money goes to your wallet. When it goes to your wallet, you can send that money to dealer. Let me show you. Where do you send? For example, let me show you here. See this one. This is very, very powerful. And now I am in many forums in Nigeria. They are working to regulate these cryptocurrencies. So a lot of opportunities. And in Nigeria, the population of Nigeria is so huge. So those people who engage with blockchain as early as possible are the ones are the people who are going to make huge success. Let me show you with this local Bitcoin You can see, let me show you. Why is it local Bitcoins? I wanted to show you Nigeria, how these Nigerians, or maybe next time, I don't know why it cannot open. So there are many Nigerians, many very big market, huge market. Go and do your research in Nigeria, whereby people buy and sell cryptocurrency. So your cryptocurrency, you can just convert. You see, you can just convert like this seat, and this is the team that for sure we will teach your people. I have told you 3 days a week after the team has grown, I'll be teaching them. Now you have your friends, refer them to me. All this, once you get few, not everyone will like it, but when you get few people who like it, then 100% of their payment is yours. And now we keep on moving. So if you are being interested, I will show you, I will direct you to open the wallet, to put cryptocurrency, to buy the smart contract from Bola. Then you have yours. You don't have to go to talk to people. We are professionals. We want to do in our system. Our system is that you tell them, I got a friend, I got there in Dubai. There is something I'm sure you will be interested about blockchain and smart contracting. I'll give him your number. He will contact you. You give me the number. I go, hey, hi, my name is this. Can we go to the call? I go like this. He accepts. He registers. You receive. That is yours. This is how the business is growing. And then once, let's say we are 10, 11, 12, let's say, hey, people, let us go to do this business serious. We stop now going on one-on-one. We start putting time for, we put time for Zoom. When we put time for Zoom, then we can teach. You can teach new members. You can teach. So you are working, and what you get is huge than the work that you do. Don't go to teach people. Just connect them to me or to sister. Then we will be coming there down to Nigeria to make huge meetings and everything. And this is what we are planning in 100 days. Determined members in our team to collect 139,000 US dollars in 100 days. And we are in day 9. And I showed you many people how they got from our community. So, brother, this is it. So you can decide by yourself if you want to be part of this community. It is very easy. You can see how much we can help you. You can start. Once you start, then you already have a platform which you can use to make money. It's like a bank. When you have a bank, find people to save money. When you have a car, when you buy a car, you have to find the people who want to send their luggage, to send their cargo. When you get them, you do it. But here you don't have to do it by yourself. You have your wallet, you have your account, then you refer people, you will teach them, we will show them, then you will check your account. You can convert that, then you can do anything. So that, brother, that's it. I hope I have added the value to you today.
Yeah, sure.
So is there anything you want to know or you want to start? And then we can see how we can meet your friends.
What about if I want to start now? Okay. If I want to start, I have to buy from my sister Bola, right?
It is very simple. When you want to start,
yes,
I will help you to open the wallet where you keep your cryptocurrency. Okay? Whereby the payment, because I told you the payment is peer-to-peer, there is no anywhere place where you will go to collect your money. Your money will be sent directly to your own account. Okay? So for that case, we will create your own wallet. Which phone are you using?
I'm using Samsung.
Then in Samsung, you will open Trust Wallet. You see, for example, can you see here on my screen here?
Yes.
This is MetaMask is my wallet. You can see
Okay.
now it has got 228 US dollars. But if you look at the activities, I removed it. Today is 16 here. I sent 35 somewhere. Today 16. I sent 510 US dollar, and I received here. I sent 320. Here I sent few. Here I sent out 630. Here I sent 90. So I receive, I send, I put in my bank. Maybe I send, I put somewhere, I buy some other stuff. So this wallet of yours is the one which you will buy, you will pay with Naira. Then you will buy cryptocurrency. We will show you, we will tell you, okay, this is the dealer. You want this amount of cryptocurrency. Then we will put it in your account. Then Sister Bora will send you the link. Then you register. When you register, you open those slots. Then the payment that you will be that will be deducted in your wallet will be going to Bora. So you will have the slots that are already open, and now you send us your open-minded friends. Maybe there are friends of yours who have been doing cryptocurrency. Maybe there are friends of yours who have got big dreams. Maybe there are friends of yours who like technology. Maybe there are friends of yours who are doing Forsage. A lot of stuff, a lot of people with your phone book with more than 1,000 people, you can find the right people. Not everyone, and you don't need money. I showed you someone has got one person, has got huge amount of money. So you can have maybe 3 people. You can send me 3 people. I can talk to them. I can teach them. I can show them the plan. Then you're already here. Then these people will buy. They will end. They will keep on buying from you. But when they buy, then you activate again. You don't need to activate everything. You can activate some slot, which are sources of income. And once you activate these slots, which are sources of income, and then when you also sell, people activate through you, you receive the certain amount, then you can keep on upgrading. But this one is not, we don't find money for food. We find a huge amount of money to transform our lives. When we say our plan, I will take you through the plan. We want to collect 139,475 US dollar. This is what we want to collect by the end of this project, 100 days of transformation. So we don't find money for food, but we want to find money to create our dreams. So if you want to start now, I can show you, I can recommend, brother, and for sure, brother, I really mean it. I really mean business. If you think you have something better you are doing, maybe your transportation business is paying you much, don't waste time here. And if you think you cannot send me the number of your friends, I know Nigerian spirit when it comes to money, I know them. What they need to know, is this right? Is this genuine? Is my money not going to be lost? Colors, finished. These people, they put everything they have got, because I am working with Nigerians, with many Nigerians that I'm working. I know. So, like, if you will, I don't want to come to chase you down. You are in the transport down to Lagos, down to Abuja, down to what, and then I don't see you. I want you, let's say you have joined today, the next day, like the way Bola said, this, just contact them. She has sent me a lot of them. I continue with them. I create business for them. This is so powerful. This is what we are trying to create, my brother. So the first slot, because I've told you, with the 2 programs, X3 and X4, in the end, you need to have the 12 slots, not today, in the end. 12 slot X3, 12 slot X4. If you see this, the cost to buy all of them, which is not going to apply to you, the total cost is 19,925, almost 20,000 in X3 and X4. But this one is going to give you, with one cycle, 59. So if this is 19, this is 59. This is a very big deal. The same applies to, if you look to X4, it is 79,000 US dollars. And we are working on that. But I don't want you to start with all that amount of money, because we did not start with that amount of money. I want you to start somewhere, brother, somewhere here, level 5. At least you'll be near to halfway. This is $155 in X3. X4, $155. So with 310, maybe 320, with 320, you can be able to start massive with the 5 levels in X3, 5 levels in X4. Get your people to me, let them make money for you. Then you will upgrade level 6, receive payments, upgrade. You don't need to put your money ever again from your pocket, but you will keep on going to other levels, and you will keep on getting training. You will be able to manage your own wallet, and you will get the knowledge, which is the most important part of this project. And when you want me to teach you trading, I will teach you trading, but I will teach you trading when you have accumulated money from Forsage. Because if you bring money from your transportation, the money for your children, the money to pay the tuition fee, the money to buy a house, you bring it into trading, then I will not. It will distract you. It will need your time. When you are busy taking the transport there, here the price is going down. How do you know? You see, this is the platform that I use to trade. This platform is opening. So I can teach you so many stuff. You can borrow money. You can be in Nigeria. You can borrow money in Dubai. You can borrow money in China without needing a passport, without needing a collateral, without needing anything. But it's because of technology. So a lot of things that you cannot learn today, you will learn slowly as you become part of our team. We are creating Blockchain Academy, whereby our team can have access to all this training, because the amount that you get in cryptocurrency, we will show you. You will keep some of the cryptocurrencies that are increasing in value, but much more, you will receive the training regarding trading, regarding, you can also, because of the market, you can also become a dealer. You can buy these cryptocurrencies, and all those people who are becoming members of Forsage, then in your team, you can be selling them and put the margin and make business. So there are huge potential for the smart people, for the Nigerians that I believe, people with the big dreams, the dreamers, definitely they will join big time. They will enjoy big time. So, brother, that is what I recommend. At least 320.
Okay, no problem. I would like to join. I'll get in touch with you though. Maybe through Sister Bola.
Yeah. What I'm going to do, because I promised to assist Sister Bola. I promise also to assist you to get started. So I will ask Sister Bora. I already have your number, so I will just give you some time. When I give you some time, like to collect, but we will go to open the wallet. I will help you to open the wallet alone with the message. I will show you. I will send you the video. I want you to go to download the Trust Wallet. Once you download the Trust Wallet, then we will fill that Trust Wallet with the crypto, and then we can register. But now, because I really like the way you are attentive, I want you to start thinking of some of your friends that you think they are. I want good quality people, smart people, people with dreams. Then we can show each other the plan. You see, this is the trading part. You see, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. You buy, you sell. You see, you can put order. You can put limit order, market order, stop order. I teach all these. This is my platform. I trade a lot. You want to trade Doji, you want to trade Ethereum, you want to trade Bitcoin, you can trade anything you want in this world, and I can show you. All right?
No problem.
So, brother, thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. I will get it. I will send you this video tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will send you a short video. Follow that short video. And then when you follow that video, you will have a wallet in your phone. Please keep this wallet, because once you use it, you lose the phrase, then people can steal, because in Nigeria, they know how to sneak. These people you can lose all your money, and then you can see all the work you have done then.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, brother, God bless you. See you tomorrow.
Thank you very much. No problem. I'll be expecting to see your message.
Okay, brother. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.